So, hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing well, and I'm good as always. And my name is Yash, and I'm a graphic designer. And today's class, we are going to learn about blend modes. So, what is blend modes? Basically, blending is merging the pixels of two images upon one another. So, in layman language, you are just merging two images over each other. You can use different modes so that it's only some part of the image is visible. So I will tell you about it in the detail. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit subscribe, and if you like the video, make sure to hit a like also. So now let's move to my screen where I could explain you how you can use blend modes in Adobe Photoshop. So guys, now we are here at my screen, and now I am going to show you how you can use blend modes. First of all, blend modes are located here upon the layer panels and the top of the layer panels, and I'm using this image and one more image to explain you the working of the blend modes. So for this image, for example, you have taken this image and you want to change the you want to blend it upon the your background. So you can simply go to different blend modes and try out different stuff. And basically, what are these different types of blend modes? The first option is going to be normal, and second one is going to be dissolve. If you use dissolve blend mode, okay, it's not working upon this image, but many of the time it is going to work. So normal is just like normal, and these all are darkened, which will remove the whites of your image. So you can see on normal it is just like blue and red and blue pinkish red color, and on this one it is removing the whites from the image. And you can, these all are different shades of, these will remove white from the image. And this one, these are removing, color and darks from the image. These blend modes will remove the darks from the image, and these are just like some different effects. Basically these portions are for blacks and these are for whites, and rest you can try out different effects and it will show you different effects. And for example, this image is here, and if you add a layer upon this and you add a different color, let's suppose it will be red, and if you do a red color and you are applying a blend mode, then it is going to behave differently. Because if you put this whole thing upon red, this will going to behave differently, and if you are going to put red upon this thing, it will going to behave differently. So on the both ways it is going to behave differently. And now I'm going to show you where is blend modes used most of the times. And if you are working upon any posters and all stuff, and you want to create some types of effects, so you can just, and now you want to remove the blacks of this image, you can simply go to blend modes and you can use these options. And okay, let's choose lighter color. Basically most of the time screen is used. Okay, let's remove this one. Just a second, let's add a white background, and let me give a color. Okay, you can add a different background, and it is on the you can just add a screen blend mode, so that you can have different kind of effect. You can remove blacks easily, and if you want to just you can choose different blend mode also. Suppose you want to remove whites and you want the dark portion, you can just use these options, and this has removed all of the things. So you can use, try out different blend modes. Most of the time this screen and the stuff is used. I use this in many of my posters. I use the screen and this stuff in many of the posters. You can just see the color it is giving, and you can create different effects out of it. So yeah, that's all for today's video. You can practice blend mode by just looking that which works perfectly for that point of time. You can see this exclusion is creating a really different kind of feel. So you can use different blend modes in different situations. You can just play out with them, and if you want any effect to be created, just download an image having a black background, or you can use screen or light in blend mode so that you can create a great effect. Let me show you. If you uh, open my Kung Fu Panda file, just give me some time. Okay. Okay, let me open my Kung Fu Panda file. So in this file, I used blend modes a lot, and it is just opening, and now I am going to show you how I used different blend modes and created different effects in this file. Now it's loading, so you can use different blend modes easily till the time it opens. Okay, I would suggest you can use screen and other stuff, but yeah, it's really cool. You can use different blend modes and you can create different effects. Okay, it's opened. Just few more minutes. Okay. These are all works which I was working upon. Yeah, here is it. So you can see this effect, and you can see the blend mode. If I just change the blend mode to normal, you can see the blacks around the area and increasing the opacity. You can see the blacks around the area, but if I just bring it back to screen, it is great. And same case is here also, on this fireballs, and on this one also I have used blend modes. And now you can definitely use your blend modes in your poster, just like can I show you the flakes? Okay, where are the flakes? Yeah, this is the sparkle, and I am hiding the flakes are gone. And if I okay, this is the PNG. There are a lot of stuff you can do using the blend modes. So yeah, that's all for today's video. You can use different blend modes, and if you want a breakdown of this Kung Fu Panda poster, do let me know in the comment section. I am going to do the breakdown of this poster. So if you have enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a like, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit a subscribe. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye guys.